हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल यूट्यूब चॅनल. आजचा जो सेक्शन आहे तो आहे द लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड. हा एक टॉपिक आहे फ्रेंड्स 12 क्लास 12वीचा आणि सब्जेक्ट आहे बायोलॉजी. या टॉपिकवर आपण काही MCQs आणि त्याचे आन्सर्स बघूया, जे की तुम्हाला नीट एक्झाममध्ये आणि 12th आणि CBSE बोर्डमध्ये युजफुल राहतील. याआधी तुम्ही माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नाही केलं असेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेलला ऑलवर सेट करा, जो की येणारा पहिला व्हिडिओ तुमच्याकडे पोहोचणार. तर चला व्हिडिओला सुरू करू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मेंटेनन्स ऑफ फेवरेबल इंटरनल एन्व्हायरमेंट ऑफ लिव्हिंग बीइंग इज कॉल्ड. ऑप्शन ए होमियोस्टॅसिस, बी मेटाबॉलिझम, सी एडॉप्टेशन, डी इरिटेबिलिटी. आंसर A. Homeostasis. Question number 2. Changes in structure and function of living beings with age are. Option A. Adaptation, B. Order, C. Metabolism, D. Development. Answer D. Development. Question number 3. A fundamental requirement of every living organism is. Option A. Evolution, B. Order, C. Energy, D. Growth. Answer C. Energy. Question 4. Growth, development and functioning of living body is due to. Option A. Order, Option B. Homeostasis, Option C. Metabolism, D. Adaptation. Option C. Metabolism. Question 5. Living and non-living object of nature. Option A. Having similar materials. Option B. Obey same physico-chemical law. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Have the same materials but obey different physico-chemical and biochemical law. Answer C. Both A and B. Question number 6. The most abundant 6 elements found in living being are. Option A. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur. Option B. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon and sodium. Option C. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, potassium, sodium and magnesium. Option D. Carbon, calcium, oxygen, hydrogen, magnesium and manganese. Option D. Carbon, calcium, oxygen, hydrogen, magnesium and manganese. Answer Option A. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur. Question number 7. The 6 major elements constitute body mass. Options A. 85%, B. 92%, C. 98%, D. 99%. Answer C. 98%. The chemical signals to brain by receptor molecules establish. Options A. Weak bond, Option B. Strong bond, Option C. Permanent bonds, Option D. both B and C? Answer option A, weak bonds. Receptor molecule transmitted signal to the brain separated. Question number 9. Receptor molecule transmitted signal to the brain receptors. A. After the initiation of response. B. Before the initiation of response. C. Before the completion of response. D. After the completion of response. Answer is B, before the initiation of response. Question number 10. Hydrogen bonds amongst the water molecules have bestowed the property of. Option A, liquid with ability to flow. Option B, high viscosity, high specific heat, high heat of vaporization. Option C, high boiling points, low freezing points. Option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 11. Life originated in. Option A, lithosphere, B, hydrosphere, C, atmosphere, D, all the above. Answer B, hydrosphere. Question number 12. Percentage if water in the body of a living beings like human is. Option A, 10 to 20%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 70 to 80%. Option D, 90 to 95%. Answer C, 70 to 80%. Question number 30. In contact with water, the phospholipids from. Option A, rounded aggregate. Option B, monolayers. C, bilayers. And D, all the above. Answer C, bilayers. Question number 14. In living system, the water is involved as a chemical in. Option A, photosynthesis and respiration. Option B, synthesis of polymers. Option C, hydrolysis of polymers. And option D, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Question number 15. Water is reagent in. A, respiration. B, photosynthesis. C, nerve condition. D, glycogenesis. Answer B, photosynthesis. Question number 16. Water is end product in. A, glycogenesis. B, hydrostatic skeletons. C, respiration. D, carbon assimilation. Answer is C, respiration. Number 17. Proteins and DNA attains their three-dimensional reactive configuration in contact with. Option A, lipids. B, sugar. C, zymogens. D, water. Answers D, water. Question number 18. All cells are used energy. Option A, radiant energy. Option B, chemical energy. Option C, thermal energy. Option D, mechanical energy. Answer option B, chemical energy. Question number 19. Stored energy is option A, kinetic energy, B, activation energy, C, potential energy, D, free energy. Answer C, potential energy. Question number 20. Whenever stored energy is present, the potential exists for option A, work, option B, entropy, option C, exchange of materials with environment, option D, all of the above. Answer option A, work.